So today I'm going to show the enhancement for assignment, and I'm going to start by pulling it up on Google Chrome, and I'm going to pull it up through the products folder, which should take us to the products management view, and it does. Then from here, I'm going to show you how to add a new category. And I'm going to start with by showing you the missing data and what appears if I don't add anything. So then the message "provide a new name for the category" shows up. And then if we add a category name like rocket and we add it, it's going to pop up in my nav, and here it is. So that's working. And now I'd like to show you how to add a new product. So we're here on the products, add new product page, and let's say you fill in some information and you accidentally press add product. And so the message will say, "Please provide information for all empty forms." So that's the missing data message that shows up. So let's say we put all the information in, and we add a new product. And it says, "Congratulations, nylon rope was successfully added." So there we go. And that's really cool because then the information is sent to our database. So now I'm going to make sure I validate my HTML and CSS for all 3 pages. So let's start by validating our CSS. So it says, "Congratulations, no error found." We'll do this with our HTML. And it's showing that the document is complete. And let's go to our new categories page. And let's do the same thing. Start with HTML. And it's saying it's complete. Let's go on to our CSS. "Congratulations, no error found." That's great. And then let's go back to add a new product. Let's validate our HTML. And let's validate our CSS. And everything is complete. No errors found. So that was my assignment, and everything's complete.